This is regarding the civic mess in Bengaluru, where the Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar has hit out and said that, in fact, he said that he wants to question the BJP and others who criticize the Karnataka government over poor road conditions, saying that is there one government in this country which is giving citizens an opportunity to take photos of potholes or garbage and share it so that it can actually ensure that officials are able to resolve it. It's only D.K. Shivkumar under the leadership of Siddaramaiah who has taken the decision. We have closed over 10,000 potholes. That's the response that D.K. Shivkumar is giving with regards to many questions that have been levelled by several India Inc. leaders. Remember, there was also Kiran Majumdar-Shaw, Mohandas Pai, several others also, prominent citizenry of Bengaluru who've been questioning the government over the urban civic mess. This is the response that's come in. In fact, let's play out that soundbite of the Deputy Chief Minister.
ಅಲ್ಲರಿ ಇಡೀ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಟೀಕೆ ಮಾಡೋರು ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲರಿ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಬಾಗಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಕಸ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಂಡಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ, ನೀವೇ ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಂಡು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಮುಚ್ಚಿವಿ ಅಂತ ಯಾವ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಈ ತೀರ್ಮಾನವನ್ನ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ನೇತೃತ್ವದ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸುಮಾರು 10,000ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಗುಂಡಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮುಚ್ಚಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಹಿಂದೆ ಬೊಮ್ಮಾಯಿ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ 20,000 ಗುಂಡಿಗಳಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಅಫಿಡೇವಿಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. 113 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಯಾವ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು? ಸುಮಾರು 40 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಟನಲ್ಲು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೀಕೆ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ಬ MP, ನಾನು ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಹೋಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಬರೀ ಖಾಲಿ ಡಬ್ಬ, ಬರೀ ನಾಯ್ಸ್, ಬರೀ ಟ್ವೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದೇ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ₹1 ಒಬ್ಬ MP, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಜನ MP ಗಳು ಗೆಲ್ಸಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಿರ್ಮಲಾ ಸೀತಾರಾಮ್ ಕೇಂದ್ರದ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ₹10 ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನಗರಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ನಾನು ಒಳಗಾಗ್ತೀನಿ.
Okay, that's a very strong response. It's coming from the Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar hitting out at top BJP leaders. Let's get in Deepak Bopanna, my colleague, to know more on this. Deepak, this is essentially the Deputy Chief Minister saying in no uncertain words that they are fixing the urban mess and the urban civic issues that plague the city, and also question the BJP, naming some of its top leadership.
Yes, now as far as the Congress government in Karnataka is concerned, it's come under heavy criticism from various quarters, starting off from the opposition, both the BJP and the JDS. Then you have several industrialists and businessmen, even some founders of certain startups, and citizens alike who've been raising questions, in the recent past about infrastructure and how the government isn't really paying enough attention. Now, the Deputy Chief Minister today, of course, was laying the foundation stone for various developmental works and also white-topping in Bengaluru, where he and the Chief Minister, both of them, came down quite heavily at the opposition and saying that they're unnecessarily criticizing them. He makes some important points here. He says 10,000 potholes have been fixed by this government. He also reminds the BJP that during their regime, they had to give an affidavit in court, and the court had to monitor the entire pothole filling process. He also then slams the BJP leaders for not bringing in funds as well for Karnataka and Bengaluru as well. So it seems like the Congress now is in the mood to take the attack back on the opposition. How this will fare, that is something that remains to be seen. But more importantly, will the people of Bengaluru see the relief that's being promised by the governments? That is the bigger question here.